Well, as you can see, they're working on the pool. So while they're working on the pool for the whole month of December, I've started back my indoor program for the winter. I'm doing the rowing machine, and today I did it for 30 minutes, but getting everything calibrated and starting back is what it is. It's always like that. You're having to, make sure you get the right data in the right places. The meters was 5,626. That equates to, roughly 3.5 miles. And the speed would equate to 6.8 miles per hour. But like I say, until I refresh my mind on how to get this data looking right.
Since spring, the Ozark Community Center has been addressing a persistent leak in their indoor pool. The leak, which has affected water quality, is now being rectified as part of the center's yearly inspection. The repairs include fixing the leak, replacing some tiles, and giving the pool a thorough cleaning. These efforts are expected to be completed by January 2nd, ensuring the pool is ready for use. The community center is committed to providing a safe and enjoyable environment for all swimmers.
And this is what it looks like on Strava. And I put some pictures to it to show what the farmer's carry is pretty interesting. And so I did it and started off with 15 pounds, 20 pounds, then 25, 35, and then finished up with 40s. And as far as the distance that I walked, I don't think it would equate to about maybe 50 yards, but don't know that for a fact. So, but getting the data is really always pretty important, and that's the concept too. Rowing machine, it has the PS5, and it can take a USB drive, and I'm going to see if I can get it to do that way it'll be more accurate. Now these are the muscles. The catch is the very beginning. You want your arms even as close to that as you can get, and then the drive, the finish, and the release. And the red activating is what's the muscles that are activating, and in the drive, that's when you're literally driving. That's why you get a lot of buttocks, and you get some quad, and you get a whole lot of back, and your lats. Really good there. But rowing is really good for swimmers. But that's where I'm at, and that's what I'm doing. So thank you for watching my channel. I really appreciate it. Now I got some footage of the guys working on the pool.